We're blockading the railway line to, at this point, stop the inflow and outflow of oils, to really send a message that we do not want to see expansion, extraction, or transportation of oil in our communities.
I'm here because I think climate change is the pivotal issue facing our generation. And this is a super fun way to protest and go out kayaking for the day.
We show that we have the power to stop fossil fuel transport. For 3 days, they suspended all fossil fuel transport through this region by tankers and rail. And today, we show them that we're going to bring the fight right to their doorsteps and we're going to shut these refineries down.
Opening is